Many of our CURT heavy-duty towing products fit directly into the OEM tow prep package systems. These tow prep packages, also known as puck systems, offer tremendous convenience for those looking to tow with fifth wheel and gooseneck hitches. When you install one of our products into the puck system, you will want a firm and secure fit. In many cases, an adjustment to our locking T-bolts, the hardware that locks our towing product to the factory prep package, will need an adjustment for a perfect fit. If one or more of the locking handles will not close with moderately firm pressure, or it closes with almost no pressure, begin the adjustment by removing the cotter pin securing the castle nut above the handle. Next, loosen the castle nut a quarter of a turn if the handle closes too tightly. Tighten the castle nut a quarter of a turn if the handle closes too loosely. Reattempt to close the locking handle. If the handle closes, re-secure the castle nut with the removed cotter pin. If the handle does not close, loosen or tighten the castle nut a quarter of a turn while pressing down on the T-bolt, and then reattempt to close the locking handle. The locking handle should close and be able to be pinned into place with moderately firm pressure, not too tight, not too loose. This will ensure a perfect fit and the secure operation of the towing product. Once you have adjusted the locking T-bolts, you are ready to go. For all your towing product and information needs, please visit curtmfg.com. Now, hit that subscribe button and always tow safely.